how to create a smart grocery list using the Reminders app on iPhone. Load up the application. Then you want to click on this icon at the top, which I've highlighted next to the magnifying glass. Now the list name is going to be groceries. And the list type here, we're going to select groceries. You can change the color, which you like, and also the icon here, but I'll just leave it as it is and click on the check mark in the top right. Now we have created a grocery list. Now if you want to add items, we're going to click on the bottom option in the bottom right, and here you can begin typing out your groceries. So for example, we have eggs. We can go and press the enter button at the bottom of our keyboard to add a new section, and as you can see, it's going to be a smart one and it's going to automatically detect it and separate them. We can do milk, we can do beer, so on and so on. Just like that, after you have completed it, you will click on the blue check mark in the top right, and now it's going to automatically group it by dairy, eggs, cheese, wine, beer, and spirits, and you can check whichever one you have already purchased, and just like that, it is going to disappear. I hope this video helps you out. Leave a like and subscribe. I'll see you next time.